Rely on this cornbread without eggs recipe when dietary restrictions, allergies, or just an empty fridge call for a creative twist. Start by combining your dry ingredients. So in a large bowl, I have some flour, the cornmeal, then I'll add some brown sugar, and then my baking powder, salt, and some cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. I like to use a whisk to combine all the dry ingredients together, and then we'll move on to the wet ingredients. So in a smaller bowl, I'll combine some milk and some sour cream and whisk the two ingredients together until smooth. You also want to melt your butter, and while your butter is cooling a little bit, we'll prepare the baking pan with a little bit of nonstick spray and parchment paper. And now we're ready to assemble the batter. So into the dry ingredients, I'm going to add the milk and sour cream mixture. And with the rubber spatula, I'm going to bring the two together, making sure that the batter isn't overmixed. Then I'm going to pour in my cooled butter and using my spatula to fold everything together, again making sure that the batter is not overmixed. Now we're ready to pour the batter into our 8x8 baking dish. And you can use the rubber spatula or an offset spatula just to smooth the batter into the pan. And then into our preheated oven it goes for 25 minutes. Then using a toothpick inserted in the middle to make sure that it comes out clean. Carefully pull on the parchment to remove the cornbread from the pan, and right away you can cut into it with a serrated knife, make some nice little pieces, and you can enjoy it warm right away. Make sure to get the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.